Now, I know that treating dark spots is one of the major skin concerns that a lot of individuals are faced with. So I decided to start a dedicated series that is centered on getting rid of dark spots, pigmentation, most especially those ones that are just too stubborn, that it needs special attention for you to get rid of that. So my loves, in today's video, we are going to be talking about body care treatment products and tips that is centered on helping you brighten and get rid of those stubborn dark spots on your legs. Now, first of all, this is actually a video request, and this person pointed out that she needs a good shower gel or body wash for her caramel skin. She said she's looking to brighten or lighten dark spots on her leg, and then she said she has a very stubborn skin, and she also made mention of the fact that she's currently making use of the New Skin body lotion. Now, baby girl, I do not know which New Skin body lotion that you're making use of, but I am not going to lay emphasis on this New Skin body lotion, so let's just remove our emphasis from that. But if you want me to talk deeper, then you can let me know in the comment section which particular New Skin body lotion you're making use of. I know you need a body wash or a shower gel, but let me just make you understand that when it comes to getting rid of, properly getting rid of stubborn dark spots, making use of just one skincare product will not do the job for you. In this situation, you're talking about a body wash. A body wash is a wash of products, my darling. When you make use of a body wash, it will only perform its job in the bathroom. Once you've washed it off your skin, it's done performing its job. And that is the reason why we will be starting with other important things, which is some tips for a very tough skin that has dark spots, and also a proper curated skincare routine, both a brightening body wash and other skincare products that should help you or that you should bring together in your skincare routine. Now, let's start with the first agenda for today's video, which is dark spots treatment tips, most especially focused on a very tough skin texture, carrying out the spot treatment process. So when it comes to skincare, there is something that is called spot treatment. Let me use this my Tretinoin to explain what I mean by spot treatment. Now, let's say I have dark spots on this place, or let's say this is your leg. Okay, you take this on that part where you have dark spots, you can just put it there. Guys, please do not apply Tretinoin in the daytime. I am doing this to explain to you. Okay, so on that part of your legs where you have that dark spot, you just put it here. Just focus it there. You don't need, you see, I'm focusing it here. I'm not rubbing it all over my legs or all over my skin. I'm focusing it here. That is what I want you to do. Just focus it on that point where you have that dark spot. As you're doing this, that active treatment product or lightening skincare product is going to help you to lighten that particular part of your skin, thereby helping you to rhyme your skin. If you don't know, making use of Tretinoin, this is a Tretinoin gel, 0.1% strength, is very good to lighten pigmentation. And I would actually recommend, if you have a very tough skin, you should go for 0.1% of Tretinoin. Another product that will be perfect for your very tough skin texture and also help you lighten those dark spots is that Kojie sand soap. You can use it as a spot treatment using this thing. Okay, when you wet the soap, you take this stuff, you use it to pick up the soap. Then you now focus it on that particular part of your skin, that dark spot on your leg. You focus it. If you have dark spots all over the place, you focus it there, and then you let it sit. Because you have a very tough skin texture, you will let it sit, let's say for like 3 minutes or even 5 minutes The reason why I'm making mention of 5 minutes is two things. First of all, you're using it on your body skin. And number two, because you have a very, very tough skin texture. So you need, write it down. Number one product that you will need, Tretinoin. Another product that you will need, Kojie sand soap. And that now brings me to the next point or the next tip, and that is using active dark spot treatment ingredients. Ingredients like AHAs, that's glycolic acid. Ingredients like retinoids, like this tretinoin, kojic acid, like the Kojie sand soap, alpha arbutin. Okay, these are good ingredients to help you out when it comes to properly lightening, like getting rid of those dark spots. Now, another thing that would help you is exfoliation. Exfoliation should be non-negotiable. First of all, when you exfoliate your skin, it is going to help you to soften that toughness of your skin. Exfoliation is going to also assist your other skincare products to penetrate better into your skin. You can make use of physical exfoliants or chemical exfoliants because this is body skin. A very nice brightening scrub that you can use, most especially that will be very good for your very, very tough skin texture, is the Dr. Minia Alpha Arbutin scrub. Me personally, I have made use of this scrub and I know how good this scrub is when it comes to brightening the skin. But for my own personal experience, because I have a softer skin texture, this tends to be more coarse on my skin or more harsh on my skin because I have a soft skin texture. Now, for you that has a tough skin texture, this will be better for you. It contains alpha arbutin. I made mention of alpha arbutin, a very good lightening ingredient. It contains, I think, 30% of AHA. AHAs, alpha hydroxy acid, they are very good to brighten the skin. And that is why you can also make use of the ordinary glycolic acid toner. It helps to lighten pigmentation. How? It's because it contains glycolic acid, and AHAs helps lighten pigmentation. You can use this on your leg. It is going to help you to exfoliate and also help you to brighten your skin and even your skin complexion. Now, another tip I want to give is properly moisturizing your skin. As someone that has a very tough skin texture, you need to properly moisturize your skin. This is going to help you to soften that very, very tough skin texture. Now, another tip is daily use of sunscreen. I have been making mention of a lot of skincare products that lightens the skin. Now, if you do not protect your skin, if you do not put sunscreen on your leg, most especially when you know that your leg will be exposed and you'll be going outside, it will be exposed to sunlight. If you do not wear sunscreen under your leg, you are going to make your situation worse. So that's just all I'm going to say. Now let's go to a treatment routine for you that will help you with your dark spots on your legs and your very, very tough skin texture. Now don't worry, I'm still going to film another dedicated video where I'll be recommending body wash that helps to lighten dark spots, stubborn dark spots on the skin. Now let's talk about this treatment body routine. So the first step is going to be cleansing the skin. One bar soap you can make use of is the Dettol skincare bar soap. This one is just a gentle skincare product. And the reason why I am also bringing in a gentle skincare product that will not necessarily get rid of those dark spots on your skin is because if in the process of you trying to treat your stubborn dark spots, you end up damaging your skin barrier because you're always using active treatment products. That dark spot will become worse. So making use of gentle products like the Dettol skincare bar soap, you can use this in the morning, you can use this at night. Another bar soap is the Kojie sand soap, but this one you use it at night. Now coming to body wash, the first body wash I'll be making mention of is the Nivea cream soft body wash. This one is a gentle skincare product. If you want to go the route of brightening your skin, the body wash I'll be making mention of is the Cosmo brightening shower gel. This is the one that I am making use of currently, and I can testify that this will help you brighten your skin. Now the next step is exfoliation using an exfoliant. I have made mention of physical scrub and chemical scrub for you already. Do not use them every day. Use them 3 times in a week. When it comes to exfoliation, it should be done 2 to 3 times in a week. Now, because you have a very tough skin texture, note, this video is for very tough skin texture. This is why you should exfoliate 3 times in a week. Now, coming to moisturizer, Lighten and Alpha Renewal I made mention of are also moisturizers. So let's say you want to use Lighten this night. You don't need to use the body scrub I made mention of, the Dr. Menial scrub. You can just use your Lighten that night. But if maybe you're not using any of this exfoliating body lotion, then you can make use of any other simple moisturizer, or of course your own new skin body moisturizer. Now let's talk about spot treatment. This Bright and Clear cream, that's a treatment product that is best used as a spot treatment product. These products are not moisturizers. So it means when I make use of tretinoin, or when you make use of tretinoin, you still need a moisturizer. So the way you're going to do it is, take for example now, you use a very simple gentle body cream. Take for example the CeraVe moisturizing cream. That one does not contain any active. It is going to help you with your skin barrier, like to protect your skin barrier, and it is very, very moisturizing for people that has a dry, very dry skin and tough skin texture. Now, when you use a moisturizer like that, you now go in with your spot treatment. So let's say you're using tretinoin. It doesn't have to be tretinoin. We also have the Kojivit Ultra Cream, something like that. I can't remember the name, but this is what it looks like on the screen. But let me use tretinoin to demonstrate. So once you have applied that moisturizer on your legs, you now go in with your spot treatment. Maybe it's tretinoin. You saw the way I demonstrated it for you. You now use it to spot treat there. That's for night though. You go to bed. This spot treatment is for night. Kojivit night. Tretinoin night. Bright and Clear night. So that's for your night routine. For morning routine, you just have your shower. You can use the Cosmo body wash in the morning at night. You just have your shower. You moisturize your skin, and if that particular your leg is going to be exposed to the sunlight, you apply your sunscreen on your legs. So I hope you actually enjoyed this video. Please kindly give my video a very big thumbs up, okay? Because this is one of the way you can support me for the knowledge that I'm sharing to you. And like I said, I have started a series where I talk about how we can treat dark spots. As a matter of fact, I named that series Goodbye Pigmentation. And in this series, we are talking of both facial dark spots and body dark spots. So make sure you subscribe and turn on the post notification bell so you'll be notified when next I upload amazing content like this. So my loves, I will see you all in my next video. Bye.